Hey guys, it's Skyler with Turtle AV, and today I want to talk to you about our Bluetooth to Dante adapter. This is just one of the 6 adapters in this lineup. They're all TAA compliant, they all have a 3-year warranty, and they're made with a 90% recycled hard plastic case. It takes the audio on your Bluetooth device and it converts it to 2 channels of Dante audio on your network. It can produce Dante audio up to 96,000 kilohertz sampling rate, and does this using a genuine Dante Ultimo chipset, which means it's compatible with all of that Dante equipment you already know and love, and that Dante software you're already very familiar with. So first, power the adapter with either USB-C or PoE. Connect it to your network, and we recommend using an AV line Netgear switch. That's because they have a preset that will set the network traffic up for Dante audio. Now, connect your Bluetooth-enabled device to the adapter and route your Dante streams. We have a lot of Dante-enabled devices here at Turtle AV. Check us out at turtleav.com. Like and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our new products and all of our new features.